This Ethereum put option made more than 10x of profit just in a few hours. But still, most of the traders don't know how to buy put option correctly. I am full-time institutional crypto trader, and I will show you step by step how to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum put option on Deribit and ByBit exchange. So let's go! So here you can see the price chart of this put option. As you can see, if I would buy this put option at the 12 o'clock, let's say for $5, after a couple of hours I could sell this put option for more than $60 and realize the profit of more than 10x. And this put option gained so much profit because Ethereum price dropped from $3,200 to $2,900, or just 9%. And as you can see, put option is a high leverage bet. Ethereum dropped only 9%, but put option gained more than 10x of profit. And a bit later I will show you how to find even higher profitability, up to 100x of profit. And basically, if I buy put option, I can benefit from price decrease, or I can protect my portfolio from the downside. And examples for these both scenarios I will show you very soon. And by the way, if you don't want to miss the new videos about the cryptocurrency options, please subscribe to my channel, and this will help me to produce new high-quality videos for you, so that you can learn how to trade like institutional investor. So please hit that like button, this will help me a lot. Thank you. And first of all, to find these great opportunities and buy put option, we have to navigate to trade and then to options. And here you can see all cryptocurrencies that are available for the cryptocurrency options trading. And let's take a look at the Ethereum put options. And here you can see the option chain. An option chain is very simple. And the first thing first, we have to find the expiration date. So depends on your strategy horizon. It's very important to select the right expiration date. And if my strategy has a short-term horizon, for example, I would like to benefit from price decrease of Ethereum between, let's say, the next 1 week, in this case I can select the expiration date, which is close to 1 week. And if I have the long-term strategy, for example, I assume that the price of Ethereum will drop after 3 months. In this case, I can select the options at the end of this list, with expiry after 3 months, 6 months, or even 9 months. So depends on my horizon. But most traders lose money buying put options. Not because they are wrong on direction, but because they buy wrong expiry date and also trade at the wrong level of volatility. And basically, I have to buy put option in 2 scenarios. In the first one, when I'm very bearish. So I assume that the price of Ethereum or Bitcoin will drop. And in this case, I can benefit from the price decline. And the second scenario, I can protect my Ethereum that I already have against the price decline. So let's assume I'm buying a put option with a target price of $2,900. And that means if the price of Ethereum will drop below this price level, I don't have any loss. Because in this case, put option will protect myself against this price drop. But still, at the same time, in case price of Ethereum will increase, I will benefit from my Ethereum that I have. So this is like an insurance. So I pay insurance premium and I don't have to worry about the possible price decline of Ethereum. And if the price of Ethereum will increase, I can benefit from my Ethereum that I already own. And to buy put option, we have to take a look at the ask prices. On the right side of the option chain. Here we can find all put options. And for example, I can buy this put option for $115 and benefit from the price decline of 1 Ethereum. And as you can see, this is a high leverage bet, because I need just to pay $114 to benefit from the position which has a nominal value of almost $3,000. For example, if Ethereum price will drop from $2,900 to $2,500, or roughly 15% lower, in this case I can earn $400. Or the difference between the strike prices, so $2,900 and $2,500. And the most common mistake is that we need to buy put option and not to sell it. Because by buying put option, we can benefit from the price decline. And this is very important because otherwise I have a loss of $400. So that's why very important. We need to buy put option. And to buy this put option, I have to click on the strike price. So the price I would like to benefit from. Click the buy button, choose the quantity I would like to buy put option for. The minimum quantity in this case is equal to 0.1 Ethereum. In the case Ethereum will drop, I will benefit from 0.1 Ethereum. So the prices are shown for 1 Ethereum, and in the case I select 0.1 Ethereum, I have to pay $11. So let's select 1 Ethereum, then I have to select the price at which I would like to buy put option at, and click on the buy button. But before that, let's take a look at the payoff graph. So as I said, by buying put option, I profit from the price decline. And for that, I have to pay a premium. And if the price of Ethereum will be above the strike price, so in our case, $2,900 at the expiration date, so after 9 days and 13 hours, I will lose the premium that I paid. Because the option will expire worthless. So if the price of Ethereum will drop 20% lower, I can get a profit of $448. If the price of Ethereum dropped 15% lower, I can make a profit of $308. And my break-even point in this case is equal to the strike price, so $2,900 minus the premium I pay. And in this case, break-even point is equal to $2,788. And my maximum potential profit will be when the Ethereum will drop to 0. In this case, I get my maximum profit. But the probability of that is very, very low. But in case Black Swan event, and the price drop of Ethereum to $2,000, I can make a profit of almost $800. And the maximum risk that I have, the premium that I pay, of $111. And I don't have any liquidation risk. The only thing that I have to take into account is the expiration date of this option. And as a rule of thumb, the short-term options lose their value at the highest pace. And the long-term options lose their value at the lowest pace. So that's why the best way to lose money is to buy short-term options. And I have a great video where I explain this in more details, so I strongly recommend to watch this video. But there is one very risky short-term strategy that can make a very high profit of multiple X. And let me show you that. For that, we have to select the short-term options and find the put option that has a very low value. For example, in this case, this put option with a strike price of $2,750 and time until the expiration of less than 14 hours has a price of $1.10. So as you can see, this is a very cheap option. And as a result, if the price of Ethereum will drop below this $2,750 strike price, I will benefit from 1 Ethereum price decline. And by each dollar decline of Ethereum, I will benefit with $1 profit. And let's assume that the price of Ethereum will drop 11% lower and will be, let's say, $2,600. And in this case, by paying only $1, I can get a profit of $150. But the chance for such scenario is less than 1%. So that means with a very, very high probability, the $1 that I pay will be lost, because the option will expire worthless. But in case Black Swan event and the rapid price decline of Ethereum, I can massively benefit from this price decline. And as a result earn multiple X of profit. But this is very, very risky, because I can lose all the premium that I pay. And in case I would like to buy such an option, which expires after less than 14 hours, I have select the strike price, select the quantity I would like to buy this put option for, and select the price. In this case, this price is $0.8. After that, I have to click on the buy button and press confirm. And the put option will be bought. And I don't need to wait until the expiration date. For example, if the price of Ethereum will drop already in the next hours, I can simply sell the same option with the same expiration date and the same strike price and close the position and realize the profit. And now let's take a look how to buy put option on Deribit exchange. And the first thing first, we have to navigate to options. And here we can see all options that are available. We can see options for Bitcoin and Ethereum, for Pax Gold, Solana and XRP. And the most liquid options are inverse options for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as you can see, also multiple expiration dates are available. And one of the most important facts about the inverse options on Deribit that you can buy the options only with the cryptocurrency. So if I would like to buy the put option for Bitcoin, I can pay only with Bitcoin for this put option. And if I would like to buy put option for Ethereum, I can pay only with Ethereum for this put option. And let's take a look at it. So let's select the 17th of December. So this is the same short expiration date. And we can see the same option chain. So once again, we would like to buy put option. So that's why we have to take a look at the right side of the option chain. And here are all the put options with different strike prices. And if I assume that the price of Bitcoin could drop massively in a short period of time, I can buy the same very cheap option, let's assume with a strike price of $84,000. For only 0.0002 Bitcoin, which has equivalent of only $18, and benefit from the price decline of 1 Bitcoin. So that means if the price of Bitcoin will drop to $81,000, I can make a profit of $3,000. So the difference between $84,000 and the price of Bitcoin that will be. So we assume $81,000. But once again, this is very risky strategy. And the probability that something similar will happen is very low and is lower than 1%. But I can also select the long-term options. So let's select the end of March 2026. So this is almost 100 days away from now. And I can select the strike price that I would like to benefit from. For example, if I assume that the price of Bitcoin in the next 100 days will be significantly lower, for example, will be $60,000, I can buy a put option with a strike price, let's say $85,000 or $80,000, and benefit from the price decline of Bitcoin. In this case, if I buy a strike price of $80,000, I have to pay 0.0525 Bitcoin. And this is the equivalent of a bit more than $4,600. And if the price of Bitcoin will drop to $60,000, I can earn $20,000. And my net profit will be a bit more than $15,000. So $20,000 profit from the price decline of Bitcoin minus the premium I have to pay for the option. And the profit will be paid in Bitcoin as well. But if you would like to buy Bitcoin at the price of $80,000, with options you can do this and receive a premium of $4,500 for your readiness to buy Bitcoin at this price. And how to do this, I show exactly step by step in this video. So don't miss your profit. See you in the next video. Bye.